This is what transmutation feels like. Control without tension, power without chaos, purpose fully awakened. You've spent decades gathering wisdom. You've seen trends rise and fall. You know what really matters now. Your life, your voice, your example, they can echo for generations. But only if you lead yourself first. Don't waste another year chasing what doesn't feed your soul. You are not too old. You are right on time. Transmute the urge into something sacred, into something that outlives you. Because in the end, it's not about resisting temptation. It's about becoming the man who no longer needs it. You were born with fire. Now it's time to forge legacy.